Luxury lakeside homes, mid-century modern design blending nature with timeless elegance. Introduction: Exploring Lakeside Luxury. Welcome to ByJustTD. In today's video, we delve into the world of luxury lakeside homes and their seamless fusion of mid-century modern design with the natural beauty of lakeside settings. These homes are renowned for their elegant simplicity, characterized by clean lines and a strong connection to nature. Whether you're captivated by the sleek, retro charm of mid-century modern architecture or the serene allure of lakeside living, this video is designed to inspire and inform. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more architectural insights, and hit the like button if you enjoy exploring luxurious design ideas. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Defining mid-century modern architecture. Mid-century modern architecture, which emerged in the mid-20th century, is celebrated for its innovative use of space, natural light, and minimalist aesthetics. Characterized by flat plains, open spaces, and large windows, this design philosophy emphasizes simplicity and functionality. The style often features a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living, making it a perfect match for lakeside settings. With an emphasis on integrating with nature and a focus on clean lines and geometric shapes, mid-century modern design continues to be a timeless and charm of lakeside living. Lakeside homes offer a unique charm, combining the tranquility of waterfront living with the luxury of high-end design. The presence of a lake provides not only stunning views but also a serene environment that enhances the overall living experience. Lakeside properties are designed to maximize the natural beauty of their surroundings, incorporating elements that reflect the water and landscape. Features such as expansive decks, floor-to-ceiling windows, and outdoor living areas are common in these homes, providing residents with an unparalleled connection to the natural environment. Integrating nature with mid-century modern design. One of the key elements of luxury lakeside homes is the seamless integration of nature with mid-century modern design. This is achieved through the use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, which complement the surrounding landscape. Large windows and sliding glass doors create a fluid transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing residents to enjoy the picturesque views of the lake and surrounding nature. The design also often includes elements such as natural stone fireplaces and wooden beams, which enhance the connection between the home and its natural setting. Elegant simplicity in design. Mid-century modern design is characterized by its elegant simplicity. This style avoids excessive ornamentation, focusing instead on clean lines, functional design, and the use of high-quality materials. In luxury lakeside homes, this minimalist approach is combined with elements that enhance comfort and sophistication. For example, the use of streamlined furniture, neutral color palettes, and carefully selected decor items ensures that the design remains understated yet elegant. The result is a living space that feels both luxurious and inviting. Architectural features enhancing lakeside views. Architectural features play a crucial role in enhancing the lakeside experience. In mid-century modern lakeside homes, features such as cantilevered balconies, large overhangs, and expansive glass walls are commonly used to optimize views and create a strong visual connection with the lake. These design elements not only provide unobstructed views but also help to create a sense of openness and spaciousness within the home. By carefully considering the placement of these features, architects can ensure that the natural beauty of the lakeside setting is fully appreciated from every The role of outdoor living spaces. Outdoor living spaces are a key component of luxury lakeside homes, offering residents the opportunity to enjoy the natural environment in comfort. In mid-century modern design, these spaces are often seamlessly integrated with the interior of the home, creating a cohesive living experience. Features such as outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and lounge areas are designed to enhance the lakeside lifestyle, providing spaces for relaxation and entertainment. By extending the living area to the outdoors, these homes maximize their connection to the surrounding landscape and offer an elevated experience of lakeside living. Sustainable design practices. Sustainability is an important consideration in the design of luxury lakeside homes. Mid-century modern design principles often align with sustainable practices, such as the use of natural materials and energy-efficient systems. In addition, many lakeside homes incorporate green building technologies, such as solar panels and water conservation systems, to reduce their environmental impact. By integrating these sustainable practices, architects and designers can create homes that are not only luxurious but also environmentally Challenges in designing lakeside homes. Designing luxury lakeside homes presents several challenges, including addressing issues related to water management, erosion control, and climate considerations. Architects must carefully plan the placement of the home to ensure stability and minimize environmental impact. Techniques such as building on pilings or incorporating retaining walls may be used to address these challenges. Additionally, the design must account for factors such as seasonal weather changes and potential flooding, ensuring that the home remains both functional and comfortable throughout the year. Conclusion: Timeless elegance by the lake. As we conclude our exploration of luxury lakeside homes and their blend of mid-century modern design with natural beauty, it's evident that these homes offer a unique and sophisticated living experience. The integration of elegant design principles with the serene lakeside environment creates a harmonious and luxurious retreat. If you found this video inspiring, be sure to subscribe to ByJustTD for more content on innovative architectural designs and luxurious living spaces. Remember to like this video and share your comments on what you